Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to hide a Snapchat story from someone. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. What you want to do is go ahead and go onto your Bitmoji on your top left. Now scroll all the way down until you see My Stories. Now on My Stories you'll see an ellipsis, 3 dots on Add to My Story. Go ahead and click on that, and then you'll be able to click the story settings. So once you've clicked onto these story settings, go ahead and click OK. And so you have the option for everyone, my friends, and custom. We'll click custom. And of course, this account only has 3 people. So I'll go ahead and say, I don't want my AI and team Snapchat to be blocked. And there you are. That is pretty much it. But there you have it, guys. That is the easiest way in order to hide Snapchat stories from someone. If you guys found the video helpful, please do leave a comment in the comment section below. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.